There has been increasing numbers of streamers around the globe in these two platforms that I mentioned, YouTube and Facebook gaming. Welcome back to MIH Gaming channel. This is Ikmal bringing to you on how to multi-stream to YouTube and FB from Streamlabs OBS, which is the software that we are using right now. In past several years, video gaming industries has becoming from a play to win sport to something like more to entertaining industry. And there has been increasing numbers of streamers around the globe in these two platforms that I mentioned, YouTube and Facebook gaming. So this time around, I'm bringing to you on how to multi-stream from these both platforms. So my guide now should be the easiest step to stream to both YouTube and Facebook at the same time. And I hope this could be helpful for those streamers that have both accounts in these two platforms. So everyone, let's head right into it. In order to use this advantage of multi-streaming, users have to download the latest version of Streamlabs OBS, which is version 0.20.2. So, and make sure to download it from streamlabs.com. And you can find the website description in the description down below, and just download the latest version and install as usual. Into our screen, this is the latest interface of the version from Streamlabs OBS, which is the version that I mentioned earlier, 0.20.2. Right. In this video, let's head right into the login options. So this is the login options on your left side. Click on it, and for your information, in order to utilize this multi-stream, the option will only be visible if you log in to YouTube as the primary account. So meaning that if you try to log in using the Twitch account or any others, then YouTube, you will not have this option to enable multi-stream. So the easiest way is to use YouTube as primary account. So now I'm logging into my YouTube account. Alright, it will load for some time. Okay. Alright, there is some glitch. Okay. After logging in, you will be brought into this normal interface, the standard interface, where you can see the videos and everything. But on your left bottom corner, there is a setting part, and from the setting you click on the setting, and then go to stream options over here. Then with the latest version, we'll be able to see the option to enable multi-stream. Okay, so when you have this option, just click on the enable multi-stream, and there will be options to select your Facebook account. So like for example, my account has been already linked to my Facebook account, so this option will be different if you are logging in for the first time. So since I already have linked it with my YouTube account, so we will go ahead and click done here. Alright, so we are good to test our live streaming. And to test, you can click on the go live, create new event. The first setup will be setup YouTube, so we will test. We will type multi-stream. We're going to right same goes to here. I'll just copy and put in the description. Click on next, and the next option, it will ask what are the titles and the description that you wanted to put to stream to Facebook as well. So from here you will have the options to select your Facebook gaming page. So and then click on the game that you want to stream, and then you must select a game. Okay, maybe FIFA 20. Alright, okay, click confirm and go live. We'll wait for some time. There will be options where you will be able to see the multi-stream chat over on your right side, and actually when your viewers are commenting on your videos from both account or from both platforms, YouTube or Facebook, it will appear on your right side over here. So but it actually in this multi-stream, it will take some time to load in YouTube, because it will testing the broadcast first for us and to make sure everything is fine. But actually on Facebook it is already started, so if I go to Facebook, I should be able to see that I am already live, like here. Think this is already live. Okay, so since the YouTube is already completed its loading time, we also now can check to YouTube and see if it is live or not. Now you can see the MIH Gaming is live. Alright. Okay. That is all for the testing for the live stream, and I hope you guys enjoy this video and you gain something from here, and we are good to go. Happy streaming for all those streamers out there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the link down below and enable your notification to receive the latest updates from MIH Gaming. We are also active on the Facebook, Instagram and Twitters, as well as the Twitch account. They are also in the description down below. Thank you guys. MIH Gaming whenever possible.